Muddy day out here on the farm, getting the animals all fed and brushed out. We got Rip here coming out saying hi. We got Maggie up here. Goats running all over. We got the pigs and their mud mess over here eating their feed. We got the boys here. I need to get them some grain, so we'll go get them some grain. We got Frankie over here. He's enjoying the last bits of his... Oh, I got some treats up here. I'll give some... Let's see what we got here. Open this up. Oh, we got a big old piece of some bread. Some homemade bread. Some raisin bread. Some croutons. I'll give him a few croutons. Want some croutons, Frankie? Here. There you go. Croutons. Yeah, they're behind you, my dude. Look. Oh no, you scooped them all up. Let's see what else he wants. Frankie. Frankie. Here. There he goes. Off with his bread. What else do we got here? We got some tortillas. These are the corn ones. They are breaking. We're going to go over to Boone. See if he wants one. We got a goat over here too, but oh, maybe she wants one. Come here, hey. Look, hey, all right. See you later. Hey, Boone. Boone. You want a tortilla? Corn flavored. Oh, you're back now. Here, have a tortilla. Corn flavored. What? Didn't get too far, did you? Need some help with that? Here, give me that thing. There you go, I ripped it for you. Nope, oh, you're about to get stolen. Rip, come here. You can't have this. There it goes. She got her down. Here's Rip trying to be a good boy because he wants one. You ain't getting that. Alright, back to over here. Maybe Boone, or no, Frankie. Maybe Frankie will have one. Hi, Frankie. Would you like a tortilla? Corn flavored. What, Rip? Get out of here. Get back. Alright, Rip, you have one. Here you go, buddy. See you later. We got some goats chasing here. That's a male and a female. Someone's trying to make something happen, I think. Get her, buddy. Alright, back in here. I don't know what we're doing. Did you give the boys grain? Yeah. Oh, they got grain. This is Maverick. Oh, get off me. You go get her. There you go. Get her.
It's jumping like a little baby.
See what they're all doing over here. Uh-oh. Get her. Get them all. They're over here just trying to steal his food. All Boone's food. What are you doing, Boone? Oh, there's Harper. We ain't gonna watch that. Got some rated R stuff going on over here behind me. Hello, girl. What are your sisters doing? Here's your brother. This is Leroy. Hi, Frankie, you're back. Nope, don't be getting my pants muddy. Let's go find you something else. How about another piece of bread? We got some croutons in here. Some more croutons. You can swipe those up like the last bag. Oh, nope. Maggie, you don't get to do that. Yeah, you eat some croutons. There you go, Frankie. Right here, Frankie. I put them there. Right here, under you. Frankie. And crunch them up. That was good, Frankie. All the goats, everybody's here to say hi. Get a couple more pieces of bread here. I don't want to go into the girls' pig pen, but I'm going to try to get them a piece over the fence. It's really muddy in there. See if we can't get them a piece each. You gotta get back, Rip. Here. Should go running off. Here's yours. Winnie! Winnie! Right next to your face, you turned the wrong way. It's behind you. Winnie! Here, let me pretend to throw something. Winnie!
Win. Here.
There it is.
Right below you.
There she goes with her piece. Was that good? Oh, you're still eating it. We gotta run to find that little spot to eat it. She's gonna run around the shelter back there. There's Frankie back for more, but he's done for today. What you doing, Maverick? Get out of there.
Frankie. Frankie. Maverick, that's a boy.
What you guys doing? I ain't got no more bread for you. Frankie got it all. Old Boone over here, he didn't get a piece of bread. I gave him quite a bit of food though, so he's still munching away. As you can see here, still eating. I did a little video live stream or whatever of me feeding him, so you guys can go check that out. And I'll do more live streaming coming out here, get this place cleaned up. It's been raining a lot, it's real muddy out here. But live streams of them eating or me feeding them, the goats running around. There they are. There's Winnie. She's a tiny little girl. Hi, Ween. What you doing? That Ween. What you doing, Ween? That Ween. I ain't got nothing. They took it all. The bucket's empty. It's empty. Well, there's crouton scraps in here. I'll give you those. There's some poop there under there. Crouton scraps. There you go. She found them. Everybody's being loud today. Kind of warming up a little bit. Still rainy out and just cloudy. Maybe we'll get some sun and some good streams going. Thanks everybody for watching. Like, subscribe. You'll get more. Toodaloo.